must be mad. A second place I go. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, so my thing for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me say me work for everything me get. Work for put in not even think to rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss a step. Me never box from a fighter, they can bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket neck. I go for my one, coming up plan for poor. Just arrive on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I feel make it out of this, them shouldn't lock the door. And the whole place I shape, my drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not hard money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problem, hold you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Now a champagne a bust like a coaster. Roughest life man grow like a soldier. I'm out of pressure when them put on my shoulder. Man never know a real supporter. Bad luck, what's a down Obia? Real governor in a pen, ask Donia. Set man I set it, me no joker. Remember people a fraud, call mocha. Like a ball, me control me emotion. Mind for my money run a program. No, in my face too much door slam, make it out. Them prison trap could no hold man. I used to one pair of shoes, then I we used to share one plate of food. That's why when I have to win, me can't lose. That's why when I have to win, me get me first place. Monique? Wait, am I dreaming? Active music. That girl are kinda different in that. I swear, brother. Mom's not fuck a bagger man, you see it. Excellent, she excellent. A dream. Monique. Oh.
Too much talking.
How we the bum buck? How we blood clot, hey? Blood clot. Dream. What kind of dream this is, God? Can I sign this? Yo.
How look a girl, man? Hold on, share about yourself. Oh, Sarah.
Hi, the traffic was crazy. That's why it took me so long to reach.
Alright. You know, long time out here wait. Anyway, another one you about. What happened the other night?
I mean, to tell you, she tell me the story.
I did that me want to hear about. What happened the other night?
Yes, so she tell me about a ghetto boy there, but she dating, right? I her husband, he not easy.
That's why me send up on the mission. Come on, find out everything.
She's head over heels for this Tyson ghetto boy.
What?
Yes.
That's the purpose, you know. That's why I want you there. I hope you don't want me to find out that I send you there, no.
No, not at all.
I'm going to nail them, you know. I'm going to nail them. You see, I the one. Step for him. Watch me and him. I just want to find out if he's that type of man. Well, look, man.
Of course.
You're so long, you know, see money. Eh? When you dip on our case, like, eat, club. No, I have to mash that one here.
Don't worry yourself, auntie. I shall give her a call when I go in.
Alright,
then I'm going to leave now.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah.
How we link up?
We will link again.
Babs, you do that thing there yet? Well, let me can't put my trust in you. Let me forget to try someone else, you know. Well, you said, but me not hear nothing from you. So I feel wonder where I deal with. Yeah, so let me forget to deal with that for myself. Alright, if it's so. Yeah, so let me hear from you soon, alright? We just want this thing to be done with.
Mrs. Stepper, what's up?
Dog blood. What go on, boss? Yeah, man. Radical. You know me about a thing for you deal with? Yeah, I want to deal with fast, higher.
Yeah? But you say your mama she works?
I could link up, see? Yeah, man. Soon, see? Yeah.
Yo, just get the information where you need, man. Yeah, man, a rope chops, man. Easy 1 trip.
Yeah. Babs, me have to call you back, see? I have some business I want to deal with. Give me Ty's address now. Yeah, man, urgent. Yeah. Yo, dog blood. Yeah, man, we get the address now. Yes, let's check your WhatsApp, aya. You send it on another phone, see? Yeah. Cool.
One Jersey, you know, at 27 years, me not come like Ghetto.
At my place, man, everything Christian.
Alright, no say no. Yeah, you know, my son, me come check in at Ghetto.
Oh, Tyson.
Yeah, Tyson.
Come in, man, at my place. Hey, come in.
Yeah.
Anything you have to give us, come in, man. No.
Come left a thing with him, you know?
Come in, no. Good father, man. Come in.
Alright.
Hey, no man to you, you know.
Somebody now.
Yeah, I'm a general.
You know, that Tyson come check.
Yeah, check. And you know, say Tyson Joseph gone up at the barber shop my father. Yeah,
Come to leave a thing with him now.
Check,
You know it go.
Yeah, me know the ball game, man.
Yeah.
No, me a forward enough.
Yeah, man, come in.
Come in, India. We're not left in.
Yeah. It never too late for the rain come down. Never too late for the rain come down. We in the fall, but one man won't stop, you know. Claim your blessing now. Sometimes life stress me out. Depressing body, me know it rough. But pressure never make me bow. No, never too late for the rain come down. Never too late for the rain come down. I know you not left your son. A time for you bless me now. Patiently me waiting, do the work, me not lazy. Me trust in a God.
Huge and God. Father, lucky now.
Alive.
No, now what Tyson could have moved on, bro.
Make our check so we see him somewhere else.
Alright.
From me have you, me no short of safety. Fire me play with, call it bravery. One step at a time, do this like baby. From day one, me look up to the same dan.
Yeah, buddy, man. Me don't know, me come visit Tyson here, but apparently gone somewhere else and me bring some fun seeds, so might have to give you for game. What you say?
No wrong with that, brother.
Yeah, and next time we see him, so we see him the next time we check him. Just give him this. Yeah, so tell him so we check him, yeah? Alright. Tash Production. New beginning. Yeah. Na. Yeah. As soon as I get there, I show you that I care. Throw away those numbers, girl, 'cause I'm the one who cares. Are you hiding from somebody?
Hey, Monique.
Hi Fiona.
I really enjoyed seeing you the other day, girl. We need to link up again and do this more often.
Yes, it was good seeing you the other day.
Well, I don't have any plans, you know.
I'm home today. If you wanna come, that's fine.
Alright, not a problem, girl. I'll see you soon.
Alright then, baby girl. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Some nice clothes inside them. Anika, look like you have the best clothes store for Charlotte Road, man. Sell some nice things. Come in, my wife. Your wife, I love that shirt, and it's on the cap. Nice. You like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
A shorty, I look for look, man. They think we don't know what. Hello.
But that with that.
Don't. You think I don't know what happened the other night? A shorty, want to look for look, man.
What happened there night?
Which phone, huh? You figure that out. Don't bother make me start.
Wow.
Cause my head sick. As a matter of fact, no clothes now buy for you. Me I buy for. Go on here, go on and leave me. Let me go pick up my pick. The pants that look so nice. It's like what's the time I look, man? I'm about to look, man. Hey. I want to step on that light to talk this. We'll soon come back, babes. The light, let me see. Can style up later. Alright.
Can't buy that woman there, no. Can't buy that, no.
Step on.
Enough bad prayer, me still there same way. Them say me curse, but me still there and I gain weight. 45 pound my belly keep the place safe. Patiently me a work on the payday. Used to wear the one boot without shame face. Mama ball and she pray for the chain break. Jason dead and gone, man have the same fate. Can't make them spread me out like me.
Step up. You know me disappointed in you. So you look like I think I don't know what happened between you and Fiona the other night.
Wasn't me.
Yeah, listen to my shaggy.
Wasn't me.
So who?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, you soon know. I know what I need to know.
Okay. Why you so hostile?
You don't say hostile yet. I bet you don't shut the air off yours tonight.
When you asleep, me always up.
Stepper, if you play with fire, you will get burned.
I wish you get them things there from. I must money kill or something, you know.
Babs, I'm tired of this, you know.
Tyson, it's not that my come out.
Babs, why you sound so calm? You're not calm this now, you know.
I want to tell you what more in me. Sure, nobody with me today, not Tyson. I'm not nobody for talk to. I just want to come in, come sit down and talk.
Babs, I'm bother with no madness, you know. You're always up to some madness.
I need some advice on a relationship thing. I just want to talk to you, please.
Alright, come. So, Babs, what really are going?
Why Tyson? You know one big problem. You know that the fridge can't drink?
Babs, make yourself in a one. You know the fridge there already. Go and make yourself a drink.
Watch me and him. Watch me and him Clark Ross. I won't think him around quick.
Not great and easy, man. Bob don't know me have camera in my house. Jaja. Not great, man.
I smoke more glass you too.
Okay. Thanks, Babs. Looking like if you just see me with potato chips. Pass it to me.
The chips are in there?
Oh, I think one day in there, man. Alright, can I have a drink now?
Alright. Rotted. I'm going to do the teddy bear area. I want the one Tyson. Look like something going. I'm going my yard, yeah. up my phone. Rotted. Still a record? Answer the call.
Babs, what go on?
I catch you boy Tyson. I see I have him on video. Yeah, things set.
You catch a boy?
Come pick me up. No!
Alright. May I forward? No, my girl.
Ready, bad bro?
Your father come get a link, bro.
Yeah.
You only fall a piece of butter for you too, bro.
Lie.
Yeah, bro.
Money? Don't see me at home. This is something now. I'm going to give a thing to you, you know. I'm brother, you know.
Yeah, bro, man.
Soon, Jelly, with it. All I reach, you know. But you know, say the one Barbs, bro. See? I saw you come a while ago. And I tell me, say, really. And when I go so, and check, and I watch her in the kitchen, bro, I say, I try to put something in my food. But I switch to drink, and left her in my house. You know, when I watch that. But I make a one pull out, you see me?
See how old man safe, you hear that?
Yeah, but watch her, if you see her come out, watch her.
Alright.
Pull him, brother.
Hi, Uncle Stepper.
Sell out.
What you talking about?
No, you tell my wife, say me I look your friend.
Uncle, are you getting mad?
Can't believe you tell your auntie, say me I look woman.
Uncle, I don't know what you're talking about. I haven't seen Auntie since.
Well, your auntie came to me about your friend and I don't know how that is possible.
Well, maybe she have a camera on you or probably a private investigator. I don't know because it's not me.
Something not right. Something not right.
Why my father? I get little thing you send for me, you hear that?
Yes, man. You know, that's how it go.
Really appreciate.
Yeah.
You do for me.
Dark blood.
Stepper.
You know him?
Yes, man.
You know him?
Dark blood, where you do so?
Who is?
I'm my son, Tyson. I'm my son, man.
John. Yo. Fuck, come with it. Yo, John, my general. You know, say your wife give me a mission to lick down the boy, yeah?
What? What did you just say?
Stepper, and your wife send me upon a mission, yeah, you know?
What?
You say your wife send me upon a mission, yeah?
That woman here get out of control now. My son that, you know.
Father, where really are going now, son? I said the wife said I'm going to kill me?
Yeah. Calm down, my son, man. Because me have this lock. Calm down.
This I get out of hand for real, you know. Oh, y'all him don't talk.
Yo, brother, come here. Come here.
Father, me let him talk. What you say bad, bro?
Yo, brother, swear, bro, you have to fix it. You know, way on the dog wife having a dog, but you have to fix it. Because you see, if she don't send me, she'll send somebody else.
Yo, when you hear me, I say, clearly. My father want about her, you know. I'm still saying I want dangerous woman. But I'm going to tell you this. She'll get it.
Yeah, dog, you have to do something, dog.
I don't want to hurt her, bro, but I don't want nobody kill me, you see me? I respect when you come to it. I have to go link.
Yeah, man, because we are killer in the streets, you know. So
we need to kill them.
You know, you see it,
Respect
bro.
still, bro, you see me?
Yeah, man, you know, you have a general son already, dog.
I'm like a God with my father there today.
Yo,
Big up
cool,
yourself.
man.
So Fiona, guess what happened today?
Tell me.
I saw Uncle and he was calling me an informer today saying, why did I tell Anti-Radical about you? But I didn't say anything to her, so I don't know what he's talking about.
Really?
Yes, and I didn't say anything to Aunt Radical, so I don't know what is going on.
Exactly. You didn't say anything to her.
No, I didn't. That's just crazy.
And he's playing mind games on you, you know.
I don't know because this is just not adding up.
Sure, you know, put you on this uncle, you know. What's up with you and Mr. Tyson?
Well, I spoke to him just the other day. We're supposed to meet up again. And I don't know, probably going on a date or something again.
Look like you really like this guy.
I do. He is quite something else. I don't know.
Just a blush, so you're planning to take this Ghetto guy serious though?
Of course, I am going to give him a chance. I'm thinking about it. I think I should.
So you plan to give the boy the front?
What? I would not about to have that conversation. So you're not talking to anybody? Because Uncle Steppa is not for you. You have to take your eyes off my uncle. My aunt is crazy, as I said before.
No, darling, your uncle is nice. I like your uncle.
No, girl, you cannot go down that road. A matter of fact, you love man too much.
Me, how much money was I with?
Mark, Andre, TK, do you really want me to continue, Fiona?
Girl, stop it. No one know man right now, but me not give your uncle a look at this.
Well, that is not about to happen. At least not on my watch. You don't see what's going on lately? You them, they're just not learning.
For real, I see it. That's one of the good reasons too for you not to go down into the ghetto and mix up with them.
I'm not really going to mix and mingle. I know as a woman I can change him. We can move out of the ghetto together. You never know what can happen.
What could I cause this? Ties over you?
No, nothing like that. But as I said, I'm really interested in him. And you know, as a woman, you have to motivate the person that you're dating. And I think I see potential in him, and I know that we can go far.
You're in love?
No, not really. Not in love, not yet. But as a woman, if you're dating a man, you're supposed to can elevate him.
Okay, mom. So Monique, when you plan to go on this date?
Well, actually, we're supposed to go this weekend. Hopefully everything works out as planned, because the last time there was a bit of drama, and you know me, I don't do drama.
So where is this place?
On top, something like that.
Okay.
I'm in the car. So really go on.
Well, look for yourself. Tyson, baby, give me some sugar. You know I love you. I love you, Tyson. You're the greatest. You're the best. I love you.
Babs! How about this? You know, say a teddy bear this year up and a kiss up.
What? Let me see this. What the ratted? How are this? But look at me drink the Spanish fly.
Babs! You like you crazy!
Woman, who you call crazy? I look crazy to you.
I want to put the one dog blood him there. From time I call the youth and him say come check me.
Yo, Radical, oh, go on.
But there, you know. That's it.
Well, there it is. Oh, what kind of foolishness that I said me go deal, man?
I mean foolishness.
Yeah, because I said me go show the dance, son.
Which dance?
I'm a general lot, man.
So what you done?
A stepper.
So me a who?
Tell man, you say tell man.
You not rate me, you know?
No, I say so Radical, man. I said that, man.
So you said something to step up?
Tell, I say nothing to nobody.
You know you're informer.
Tell
You're
Radical.
free, you know.
I'm a bad man, you know.
Bad man where?
Must be mad. A second place ago. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, so my thing for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for put in not even think to rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss your step. Me never box from a fight, better bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket neck. I go for my one, coming up done for poor. Just arrive on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I said make it out of this, them shouldn't lock your door. And the whole place I shape, my job, I'm for sure.